when the world is in pause? How do you move along? Some dreadful events greatly affected the way we do things and how we live our lives. These two created a huge impact on education worldwide. But together, we are stronger. Let us not make challenging times stop us from learning. We at the AMA education system understand the needs of the students. The constant challenge to keep up with today's fast-changing digital world inspires us in taking the initiative in changing the traditional landscape of education in the Philippines. This prompted the birth of the AMA online learning program. Students at all levels get to experience the fun in modern and effective learning in the comfort of their homes. Studying at home gives an extra advantage of staying safe and staying healthy. So how does it work? AMA Online Learning Program provides lessons through diverse tools that are all available online anytime. Students may use any gadget fit for their personal online learning experience. A desktop, a laptop, and now accessible in tablets and cell phones too. Students get the best experience with the help of our online mentors who closely assist them all throughout the entire learning process. Quizzes and exams are also done online. Sounds fun, right? Through the AMA Online Learning Program, you get to study at your utmost convenience. This gives you more time to spend with your family and friends and do more of the things you love. While it is immensely suitable in today's trend, extraordinary times will eventually give way to the new normal. Students still go to AMA campuses for a more flexible mix of online class and physical classroom education. Inside the campus, students are required to strictly follow health guidelines when they comply with laboratory subjects and experiential activities aided with our high-tech facilities. Enrollment is easy. Simply log on to our website and enjoy discounts and flexible payment options. School fees are paid online as well. Yes, technology and quality education are made attainable and affordable by AMA. You'll definitely enjoy the convenience you deserve. It's quick, affordable, and hassle-free. Trust only the pioneer in IT education in the Philippines. AMA Education System. Founded by Dr. Amable R. Aguiluz V, also known as the father of IT education in the Philippines. AMA spearheads new learning strategies and platforms and continues to innovate and raise its standards in terms of providing quality education. AMA is proud to produce nothing but the finest graduates. Education need not wait. Always be ahead of the rest. Start your journey to success with the AMA Online Learning Program.